If you've been tossing wine corks in the trash, you've been throwing away the perfect free drainage solution for your balcony plants. Today we're turning those corks into a drainage layer that keeps your containers healthy, lightweight, and thriving. No gravel, no rocks, no trips to the store. You don't need a massive collection to get started. Save your corks over a few weeks or ask friends and family to set them aside for you. Natural or synthetic, both work fine. Give them a quick rinse if they still have a strong wine smell, then let them dry completely before use. Clean, dry corks are easier to work with and won't introduce unnecessary moisture or mold into your pot. The goal is a drainage layer roughly 1 to 2 inches deep across the bottom of your container. For a small 6-inch pot, you'll need around 10 to 15 corks. For a larger 12-inch balcony planter, plan on 30 to 40. The corks don't need to be stacked or arranged perfectly. A loose single layer is all it takes to allow water to move freely down through the drainage holes below. Place your corks loosely across the bottom of your empty pot before adding any soil. Drop them rounded side down or just scatter them naturally. There is no perfect arrangement here. The key is making sure the corks cover the entire base and sit above the drainage holes. This cork layer lifts your soil away from pooling water, prevents root rot, and because cork is naturally lightweight, you're also keeping your balcony pots easy to move and reposition. Once your cork layer is set, add your potting mix and plant exactly as you normally would. The corks compress slightly under the weight of the soil, but they won't break down quickly. Natural cork resists decomposition beautifully, meaning this drainage layer will serve you through multiple growing seasons. When you eventually repot, just pull the corks out and reuse them again. That's it. 4 simple steps and a handful of saved wine corks give you a smart, completely free drainage solution that works just as well as gravel and weighs far less. No cost, no waste, and your balcony container plants get better drainage with every pot you build. It's the kind of practical small space gardening hack that makes a real difference season after season. If this helped you today, hit that like button and subscribe to Balcony Garden Oasis for more tips just like this one. Drop a comment below and tell us, how many corks are you sitting on right now? We'd love to hear from you down there.